How Nigeria government and Nigeria court are planning to secret try Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Things are happening. So many of us do not know the deeper part of this thing that is happening in Nigeria today. But this injustice against Ndigbo is becoming unbearable. You will continue pushing somebody until one day that person will stand up and tell you, hey, enough is enough. And remember that 1960 and 2000 and 2024 is not the same year. That's one thing you people forgot to understand, and give a fair justice to every tribe in Nigeria. If a white man brought us together and claimed that we are one Nigeria, now things are not working for us, what do? We'll come to table and a plan, even rename ourselves, and everybody will have equal right to the system. But if people said no, that one Nigeria by force, let me tell you one thing, we are making a very big mistake for our future children, because this tribalism, nothing will stop it. It will continue going, but there will be a people who will rise one day and say no to it. I want you to watch this video and hear how bitter the lawyers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are, because in this video you are going to watch, you understand something and they will learn something. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must get a fair justice in Nigeria court, unless you people want another Biafra Nigeria. Listen, watch this video. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here. They bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. I want you to share this video and make sure say you contribute and also follow this channel, you understand? So, and do not forget to subscribe. Watch this video. I'm going to play you coming from the barrister, the legal counsels of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what they said transpired in the court yesterday. Just watch the video.
Okay, because we were able to avoid the situation that if it had happened in court today, it would have been a deviation from Section 36 of the Constitution, which guaranteed every Nigerian the right to fair trial. The prosecution was forcing a situation on the court today that trial should continue or should proceed today. But our position was this, which comports with the law, that we have not had any opportunity. We have made this very clear. It is not about having access to our client. We do have access, but our access is monitored, hampered to the point that we are unable to discuss with him within that zone of confidentiality that is guaranteed between a lawyer and his client, and that enhances the defense we shall prepare to properly defend him against charges that carry the death penalty. So our position comports with the law, with Section 36 of the Constitution, that unless fair hearing can be guaranteed, no Nigerian can be subjected to any trial. You can check it out. We are not making it up.
Okay, sir, lastly, on 20th May, the court will decide one way or another. Let's presume, are you ready for any eventualities if it doesn't go the way you want, or the way you prayed for the court to go?
Well, the attitude of a very good defense counsel is to cross the bridge when it gets to it. So we're not going to speculate. We're not going to preempt the court. We trust that the court will do the right thing when we come back by 20th May. If it doesn't, then we cross that bridge.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Fortunately, he didn't give a ruling, or she didn't give a ruling. I think they are referred to here, whatever. So let us wait on the 20th. If she makes a ruling, one way or the other, wherever they stand, then we can take the battle from there.
For some people are saying that a political solution could be a way out of this situation. What do you think about this?
I will not comment on that. Whatever I'm involved in that is very serious underground, I will not comment on that. I support them in what they are doing. If there are things we're also doing some other places, we'll continue doing it. But I can tell you by the grace of God, Nnamdi will not stay in this prison in the next 2 or 3 months. Or else I'm not part of this country. I can tell you that by His grace.
We appreciate it. Thank God.
Thank you very much.
We have a very wonderful
Wonderful.
Itire mbona una nwuni isi.
Wonderful.
O kwete no na-eme tata.
Today go kwetere na ọ na-eme.
O kwete no na asaka without battle.
28. Oh, that is here check again. Yes.
So I need a picture.
Okay.
Oh, they only recording.
Record.
Okay. 1, 2.
Okay, I greet everybody out there. I'm talking to Umu Chineke, actually, who came to court today to show, demonstrate their solidarity with Onyendu Mazin Namdekan. Because you all know who I am. My name is Aloy Ejimako. They like to call me special counsel, and I'm still trying my humble best to see that we represent Onyendu very, very effectively. This is my colleague. He has always been by my side. His name is Barrister Mandela Umeoborog. He has been in the trenches with me. So today, what happened was that the court tried to force a trial. The prosecution wanted this accelerated trial so much that they ignored the fact that the detention conditions at the DSS would not permit the lawyers to consult properly with Mazin Namdekan. That was our case in chief. We didn't want anything further than that. We are not engaged in delay tactics. We are not engaged in dilatory tactics. All we are saying is that anybody who is facing charges in court is entitled to have his fair hearing. That is guaranteed under the constitution that is still functioning in this country. Mazin Namdekano's case cannot be different. There was an effort to force trial to happen in the absence of this constitutional guarantee. So we had to take a very firm position that will not happen. So we proceeded on that score to move 2 applications that would enhance the environment for any trial to occur, if at all the trial will occur. The only environment that will enhance it will be the environment of bail, restoration of his bail, or the environment of some other custodial arrangement that includes house arrest or home detention. These things have happened before. Our singular goal really is to have his bail restored. But in a situation where you're not being offered a lot of choices, you begin to suggest alternative measures, alternative solutions. But our case in chief is that Mazin Namdekano's bail is supposed to be restored, because that's what the Supreme Court said, that he didn't jump bail. If it happens, then the lawyers would have had all the opportunity to consult with him, and then we'll see whether that trial really can proceed. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
You did a nice job today.
Thank you.
Follow it up.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Yes.
I really appreciate you coming. I know it's not easy for me. So if it's not easy for me, it will not be easy for anybody. So I like the solidarity you have shown to him, and he really appreciates. He had your joy.
We from the coastal area too, so that's why we are here.
Yes.
We are from the warriors.
From what? Oh, that's
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, things they happen for inside there, inside this country. We be say we no know how one take put mat talk am. But however, the worst part of it is that every tribe now in Nigeria don't know who the real bad guy is. It's no longer the Igbos as usual they used to claim, So every tribe now know that. Look at what is happening. The same court say they will release you, with you, will give you just the same court again. Coming back again to rejudge the, I don't understand if this justice gas be, but however, everybody are watching, all eyes on this Mazin Namdekano case. So what is holding federal government to dialogue? What is holding federal government? The way you people are going to give ransom, to going to settle bandit in the bush, why can't you do it in Southeast? Somebody must talk. Somebody must talk. That is the problem of even in Ndigbo self. This is their problem. Most of them don't want to talk. If I talk, they will not come for me. My brother, if God no kill man, sickness will kill him. If man no get accident, man fit fall. anything. Look at this, our brother Junior Pope, a healthy person wey just wake up. If they tell am say na water wey they drink every day, na go still take am, Junior Pope no go believe. So you see that fear, well, now they fear, nobody want talk. They go come for you. You no want to stand for your brother, you no want to stand for justice. One day, waiting go take you, go come. Now so it be. That is the truth of life. Share this video, my people, and make sure so you follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot.